Good morning. Thank you for coming in today. How are you?
Good morning, Mr. Rodriguez. I am doing well. Thank you. I am grateful for the opportunity to be here.
Okay, let's start first by having you introduce yourself. Tell me about your background and what brings you here today.
I'm sure. I'm Stephen C. Pablo, a graduate of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with a degree in biology, major in microbiology. I graduated with Latin honors and was a consistent president lister. I was also a DOST scholar throughout my college. And since high school, I've been passionate about scientific research, particularly in microbiology and laboratory work. I've conducted several experimental studies, including enzyme extraction and antimicrobial testing. And I am eager to apply my skills in a professional laboratory settings like yours.
That's a very impressive background, Mr. Stephen. Now, may I ask you, what attracted you to this position at Cherwin Pokpan Foods Philippines?
Well, aside from my strong interest in microbiology and laboratory work, I am drawn to CPF's commitment to food safety, sustainability, and innovation in agro-industrial practices. I want to be part of a team that not only ensures the product quality, but also contributes to public health and sustainable agriculture. The hands-on, data-driven nature of the microbiologist's role perfectly aligns with my training and career goals.
That's great. Now, can you tell me about a research project you worked on that you are particularly proud of?
There's this one project I'm very proud of, and it is when my team and I extracted bromelain from pineapple stems and tested its antibacterial properties. We cultured five common bacteria and applied the enzyme to test for inhibition zones. This study won first place in the Muntinlupa Division level research competition. It was fulfilling because we explored a potential natural alternative to harmful commercial antimicrobial like triclosan. It also taught me a lot about proper culturing techniques, aseptic lab practices, and data analysis.
Well, that's an excellent research experience. Now, in terms of pressure, how do you handle it, especially when you're in a time sensitive lab work?
Well, first, I stay calm by breaking down the task into manageable steps. In our recent thesis, we tackled the issue of drug resistant bacteria. We had to meet tight deadlines while performing genetic level studies, which required precision and strict documentation. I kept detailed logs, prioritized high risk experiments, and communicated openly with my team. And I think that helped me to stay focused and on schedule.
Now, in terms of weaknesses, do you think you can share with me any kind of weakness you are working on right now?
Well, certainly, I used to be hesitant to speak up in group discussions, especially during large collaborative projects. I realized this could limit valuable input and learning. So, I've been working on becoming more vocal and confident in actually in recent months I've made conscious efforts to participate more in presentations and lab briefings, which has improved both my communication skills and team dynamics.
That's a very good self reflection, especially how you're working on yourself right now. Now, how do you see yourself contributing to our team and to our company?
I can contribute through my strong foundation in microbiological techniques and my dedication to research accuracy and safety. I'm very meticulous in handling samples and documentations, which is crucial in maintaining lab quality standards. Additionally, I am very quick to learn new protocols and I adapt well to collaborative environments. especially in fast-paced settings like production and feed meals.
That's a very detailed description of your work ethic. Now, to make this an open discussion, do you have any questions for us?
Actually, yes. I'd like to ask, what does a typical day look like for a microbiologist in your laboratory, and how does CPF support the professional growth of new employees in technical roles?
Those are great questions. Now, a typical day involves conducting microbial testing on raw materials, monitoring sanitation, effectiveness, and coordinating with production for rapid reporting. As for growth, we offer regular training, performance reviews, and potential paths towards supervisory roles or R&D depending on your strengths.
Well, that sounds encouraging. Thank you for the insight.
Thank you to you too, Mr. Stephen. We appreciate your time and impressive credentials. You'll hear, you'll hear from us within a week regarding the next steps.
Thank you as well, Miss Rodriguez. I look forward to hearing from you and truly appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.